Still currently in Heath, Texas. There's a tornado on the other side of Lake Ray Hubbard, moving northeast. The tornado is on the ground, moving pretty quickly. See the transformers blowing up. There is a tornado on the ground. Tornado's still there. Can't really see much thanks to the sun is down. It's dark outside. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to die down a little bit. Yeah, still hitting some transformers. Lord help the people that are in those houses.